Yo, what's up, y'all? It's Jordan Martin with Martin Investment Group and Martin Stock Club. Here are three stocks I'm going to be watching tomorrow, which will be Friday, November 18th, 2022. Keep in mind that we do live trade and have multiple people calling out live options trades throughout the whole day. These are just three stocks I'm going to be looking at. So if you want to see everything we're doing, Discord is in the description. All right. First up is Apple, and these are all going to be very similar today. First up is Apple. What I'm looking at is stocks that have big bullish engulfing candles. So what a bullish engulfing candle is a bullish candle, right? It's a green candle. It opened down here, finished up here. All right. So it was bullish for the day, and it fully covered up or engulfed the previous candle's price action, which you can see here. All right. So what stands out to me is this potential for a move to come back and test this to form actually a three-touch trend line here. If we drop it down low, then we can also see that setting up there. And if we take it from the bodies, then we can see we don't quite have one yet. If we're going to go body to body to body, we still have a move up. So still have a little room up, however you want to dice it. But overall, looking for a continuation up on Apple. If we can make another high, the high of Thursday is 151.48. So I'll set an alert for 151.49, keeping in mind that we might get a little action around 151.50. But looking for a continuation up there to just retest this high here at 153.60 or just so about. Next up is Alibaba, which had a big move up on earnings. And we're going to see how we can play this now. We had bullish engulfing, engulfed two candles here. We do have a gap below that we're looking at. So we'll have to look at this and see how it moves. But I think we have a good chance to go ahead and keep moving higher, test this resistance area here, which would be at $88 or so. So I'm going to set an alert for 85.70. All right, just set an alert so that I can get triggered if we're making new highs, and I can look to get in on the momentum and take on the continuation to the upside. And then lastly will be Visa, another bullish engulfing candle. And it's just barely missing being inside here. All right, so it could have been a double inside, just barely missed it, but I'm fully engulfed there. So if you make a new high on Visa, then I'm looking at testing this high of about 213.75. And this high was 211.28. So I'm gonna set 211.30 as my alert. And again, I'll be getting in that. I'm looking to see it move up and test 213.75. Now with these alerts, because they are set so close to the high of the previous day, what I'm probably look at is the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. I'm looking to see if we can actually get a close above these levels. And then I'll go ahead and look at taking it up to those targets I mentioned. So again, that's three stocks I'm looking at. Of course, like, comment, share, and subscribe so I can keep putting out these videos and I keep getting in front of more people who can make money using them. As always, happy trading. See y'all soon.